This cocktail is called a Tequila Mockingbird, of the famous novel. We have a base of Don Alvaro Tequila, hence the name. Pedro Jimenez sherry, beautiful sherry, some vanilla sugar, some cream, and a couple of little bits and bobs other than that. So 15 mils of vanilla sugar, 15. 25 of the tequila, Don Alvaro Blanco. Same amount, 25 of the Pedro Jimenez. Beautiful colour of that sherry. And 25 double cream. Dessert cocktail, lovely and sweet. So that vanilla and the vanilla sugar coming out as well. Just need a short, quick, hard shake. Ice and cream don't go brilliantly together, and then you need to strain that into a little bowl. We have an option to serve this with a mini ice cream, so we'll be doing that. Some tequila infused chantilly cream. Get that from your kitchen. We pop that on top. And there's some little sprinkles as well. You can use chocolate sprinkles or these little pink ones. And you can have a little option of doing a little brownie flake if you like. And there you have Tequila Mockingbird dessert cocktail.